What's up, everybody? This is Colton here with Motorhome Specialist, joined by Mike Grove, our Fleetwood representative. We're going to be taking a look today at the high-end Fleetwood Bounder.
The Bounder is the high-end Class A gas for Fleetwood. It's built on the power platform. That's the structure of the unit. A lot of manufacturers will use trusses where they just weld them off of their F53 channels and then they build above that. The power platform is a big saddle steel structure that sets over top of the F53 rails, and the basement is built into it, making it a lot more sturdy other than building a flat floor than hanging your basement from it.
With the high-end pure sine wave 2000 watt inverter, this will handle all your electric needs.
The Bounder comes with a tankless water heater and a 100-gallon freshwater tank, so you can take those long, enjoyable showers.
With the largest chassis in the industry on Class A gas, the 26K is going to provide you with the 8,000-pound hitch that's really good for towing.
So this unit comes with the upgraded power cord reel, makes rolling up that stiff hose very easy, and it comes with a 5.5K Onan generator. This is plumbed into the same 80-gallon fuel tank provided by Ford.
The Bounder is going to come with a really well put together enclosed wet bay. And while we're talking about really well put together, let's come check out this power gear slide system. That does come with redundancy, so it is very good. If your slide gets stuck, you can actually crank it in, and it is very well put together and sturdy.
Two of my favorite things about the Bounder is the construction. So this unit has no Luan backer. That's basically a piece of paneling that's glued on the backside of the fiberglass. That does not have it. What this does for you is it prevents any D-lams. You ever go try to trade in your unit and you're like, hey, the unit looks great, but look at I got this D-lam. It is a big financial hit. The next thing is going to protect your unit and make it last for many years is the interlocking aluminum extrusions. So basically we have an aluminum extrusion that is in the chassis and then one in the sidewall. Those things come together and physically interlock the floor to the wall and the ceiling to the wall. So it turns that whole cage into one unified structure, and it's going to protect your motorhome for many years.
This is going to come with the high-mounted integrated side cam system to keep your camera away from road debris and keep it free from that, as well as road grime, and that can cause a safety issue, but since it is high-mounted, it's going to be clear as day.
Before we go inside and look at the interior, we have to mention this unit does come with keyless entry and a beautiful lighted grab bar. Now that we're inside, we just stepped over the 4 house batteries. These are 6-volt house batteries, but having 4 of them gives you a bigger battery bank, runs this unit longer without being plugged in. Up here in the newly designed cockpit, we have dual monitors. It's a huge safety thing having dual monitors. One of them are dedicated to your cameras and one's dedicated to your navigation. So that way you can view both of them when you're getting off lanes. Big safety thing having that. And right here is our precision circuits. So this controls your whole motorhome and you can control it from your cell phone. Where I find it really beneficial is your slide out boxes. You back into that real tight campsite, you can go outside, pull out your cell phone, run your slide out boxes out and make sure you're not running it into a tree. To add on to the construction the Bounder has, all of our cabinets are screwed into aluminum.
This is a really comfy seat made by Apex exclusively in your Fleetwood product. This will come with a full-size residential refrigerator which can handle all your refrigeration needs, and it will come with the 5300 BTU furnace that will provide your heat.
Over here in the galley, we have a massive Whirlpool convection microwave, and this is an air fryer. We have all solid surface countertops and, very important, a 13 by 60 picture box window. This is all residential tile, hardwood cabinet doors and drawers, and every shelf is adjustable.
We will get the full-size king bed in this unit, and it can stay all the way down due to this cutout right here. So you will have full access to a king-size bed even when the slides are in. You will get this combo washer and dryer unit, and it does come with 18 drawers in the whole bedroom area. I don't even have that in my house.
The Bounder 35K is a bath and a half floor plan. The full bath back here, mid bath is a half. Comes with a shower miser, which recirculates that water until it heats up. So that way you're not filling up your tanks prematurely. And it has a massive shower. I'm like 6'4" and I fit good in here. By 6'4" I meant 5'8", but close enough.
Thank you everybody for joining us today to look at the high-end Fleetwood Bounder. Here at Motorhome Specialists, we've been the #1 motorized dealership for 12 years in a row. Thank you, Mike, for joining us on this video.
Absolutely, Colton. Swing in here to Motorhome Specialists. They have a huge lineup of Fleetwood products, and Colton's very, very knowledgeable, but if you ever have a question that he can't answer, he has direct access to me, and we will get the answer for you.